This video is about right triangle trigonometry. When you talk about right triangle trigonometry, we always think of SOHCAHTOA. So if I have a right triangle here, you have to know how to label each side. For any theta cross, then you will get the opposite side. From right triangle 90 degree, you cross, you will get the hypotenuse. Then the other leg will be adjacent side. What's the meaning for SOHCAHTOA? SOHCAHTOA, so that means the sine equals the opposite side over hypotenuse. Cosine means adjacent side over hypotenuse. Tangent equals opposite side over adjacent side. So we can write down this. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. That's how you get the SOH. So cosine equals adjacent side over hypotenuse. That's how you get the CAH. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent side. That's how you get the TOA. So we call this as a SOHCAHTOA. We know that for SAT test, for 45, 90 triangle, we label these two legs as 1, 1. Then hypotenuse is the square root of 2. For 30, 60, 90 triangle, the shortest side that's labeled as 1. Then for hypotenuse side, we label as 2. Then for the other leg, we label as a square root of 3. Therefore, when you solve for any side of these two special triangles, you can use a ratio to solve for that. For example, this is a special triangle. Therefore, we label each side. The shortest side will be 1, and the hypotenuse side is 2. Then the other leg will be square root of 3. If we're looking for this x, I can do 2 over x equals square root of 3 over 5 square root of 3 over 2. Then this will be complex fraction. And we focus on the denominator, this 2, and jump to the top. Therefore, we got 2 square root of 3 over 5 square root of 3. On the left side, still 2 over x. Then reduce square root of 3, square root of 3. Therefore, we do cross multiply. Then the same line, these 2 go to denominator. So we got over 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Therefore, you get 5. So we got this x equals 5. Then how you get the y? We use the ratio for this 2. So we get 5 over 2 equals y over 1. Then we cross multiply. then y will be 5/2. Normally for SAT test, if we are dealing with special triangles, we normally use this ratio. But also you can use SOHCAHTOA to solve for each side of a special triangle. For number 1, for this right triangle, we know one angle is 60 degrees. That's special angles. So we are looking for the missing side, X and Y. First of all, you need to label the side. Which one will be hypotenuse, which one is opposite, and which one will be adjacent side. For me, I always check the hypotenuse side first. So I look for the right triangle. Opposite the right triangle will be hypotenuse. Then cross the given angle 60, it will be opposite side. So I label as O. Then one side left, it will be adjacent side. If I want to work out that X, what's given? O is given. Then X will be H, hypotenuse. So OH, I go to sine. That's why I use sine 60 equals opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite will be 5 square root 3 over 2, then divided by X. Then according to the trig value of special angles, sine 60, work that out, will be square root of 3 over 2 equals. And on the right side, that's complex number. So 2 will be denominator. It's above that division line. So I drop down. You will get 2 times X at the bottom, then 5 square root of 3 at the top. Then I will do cross multiply. Why do the cross multiply? Only focus on that X, because I won't get the answer directly. So the same line with X will go to denominator. That's why I will get the X equals 2 and a square root of 3 on the same line. That's why I will get like 2 square root of 3. Then the top will be 2 times 5 square root of 3. That's 10 square root of 3. So reduce 10 divided by 2 will be 5. That's for X. For the Y, still given is opposite side and also is adjacent side. OA, go back to SOHCAHTOA and you have to use tangent. Tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. So I set up my trig function like tangent 60 degree equals opposite over adjacent side, which means 5 square root of 3 over 2, then over y. We know the tangent 60 will be square root of 3. And on the right side, and that's complex fraction, so I drop these two down to the bottom. Only focus on the denominator. That's how you get 2y as a denominator, then 5 square root of 3. Okay, I will do square root of 3 over 1 for the left side. Then I do cross multiply. So any number has the same line with the y go to denominator when you do the cross multiply. That's how you get the y equals 2 times square root of 3 is 2 square root of 3. Then 1 times 5 square root of 3 will be 5 square root of 3. Then reduce. You will get 5 over 2. Leave as a fraction. That's the answer for y.